The second wave, the emergence of intersectionality. The second wave, the 1960s and new social movements. The first wave, suffrage minus abolition. The first wave, suffrage plus abolition. The first wave, suffrage plus abolition. The first wave, organizing for suffrage. The wave before the waves, early feminists. Even though feminism didn't officially begin until the mid-19th century, there are countless earlier examples of women asserting their independence. Female writers and thinkers from the 17th and 18th centuries like Vane, Mary Wollstonecraft, and Jane Austen all demonstrate feminist work in their writing. They ask questions about where a woman's place is and why it has to be there. They challenge the idea that women can't or shouldn't write, and they advocate for the basic humanity of women as individuals deserving of human rights. However, because they didn't function as part of a more organized, named apparatus fighting for social change, they are considered foremothers rather than members of the women's movement.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.